Today is August the 26th. It's about 12:50 in the afternoon. Back down at the stadium, and I am aiming towards Michigan Avenue. And I'm going to pan back now just so you can get some idea where I am. And I'm going to pan around to the right. As you can see, a whole lot of progress has been made. All the way up to the corner of Michigan there. See down on the field now through the gate. They're taking some of the green covering off of the gate. You can actually see right inside there. There's the end of the stadium. And there really just is not very much left. Well, I have to say I just ran into a little bit of a disappointing experience. I wanted to go get up on the bridge where I've been several times since I've been filming down here. And as you can see, the guys down at the bottom, two guys in black shirts, decided they wanted to exercise their muscle and not allow me to go up because they said there's some filming going on out there. However, I see several people who don't look like it's obvious that they're no part of a film crew that they've allowed to go up. I've seen people cross the bridge and go back in the other direction from that group of people. So for some reason or another, I guess the guy looked at me and decided that I wasn't the type of guy that needed to come up there. Frankly, it pisses me off, but c'est la vie. And anybody that sees this clip, it's the guy on the right in the black just behind the structure for the bridge. You can't see him right now, but there's really no reason why I couldn't go up there. As I said, disappointing. Just to prove my point, there's a fella who was just over there with that group. He's on his way back across the bridge. I saw him when I was down at the bottom. For some reason or another, he was given some special privilege. Just looked like a normal, ordinary guy to me. I don't see a camera in his hand. I don't see any credentials hanging off his chest. But I do see him. And I get it.